Chapter 1 Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Before going that, we will see first what is expression. Expression means the combination of a number with mathematical operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, 2 plus 3 minus 5 is called expression. 3 into 5 divided by 2, so that is also called expression. In expression that contains variables, constants, coefficients, and mathematical operators is called an algebraic expression. Consider this algebraic expression 2x plus 3y minus z. See here, three terms are given. Terms means parts of an algebraic expression is called terms. See here, 2x is one term, 3y one term, minus z also another term. So, three terms are given. Here, x, y, z are called variables. Variables is an unknown value showing by a letter. It can have different values. So, this is called variables. So, x, y, z are called variables. The next one, coefficients. Coefficients is a numerical number that is multiplied by a variable. So, that is before the variable, that number is called coefficient. So, here 2 is called coefficient. Before the variable, 3. So 3 is called the coefficient of y. So the coefficient is a numerical number that is multiplied by a variable that is called a coefficient. So the coefficient of y is 3. Here minus z. Minus z can be written as minus 1 into z. So minus 1 is called coefficient. The next one, factors. Consider this term 2x. So here this 2x can be written as 2 into x. So 2 and x are called the factors. Factors of 2x. Similarly 3y. 3 into y. So these are called factors of 3y. Minus z. Minus 1 and z are called factors of minus z. The next one, powers. Powers means the exponent of the variable that is called power. So here x power 1. See here there is no number, so that is 1. So x power 1. So the power is 1. Similarly here the variable power is 1. So the power is 1. Exponent of the variable that is called power. See here z only one time z. So z power 1. So the exponent is 1. So the power is 1. X power 1, y power 1 and z power 1. Like and unlike terms. Like terms have the same variable with the same power. So that is called like terms. Same variable, same power. See, consider this example. 3x, 4x. See here the variable is x. Same variable, the power also 1. X power 1, x power 1. So 3x and 4x are called like terms. Don't see the coefficient. You just see only power. See here minus 5 z squared. 6 by 5 z square, same variable z, same power 2. So these two are called like terms. Here minus 4xy, here 3xy, same variable xy, power also 1, same. So minus 4xy and 3xy are called like terms. So like terms have the same variable with the same power. But unlike terms have the different variables with the different powers or same variable with the different powers. See, 8x and 4x cube. Variables are same but the powers are different. Here the power is 1, here the power is 3. Minus 6 zy. See here zy but here xy. Variables are different. Here minus pq squared, here minus p squared q. So the power of p is 1, here the power of p is 2. So variables same but the powers different. Here variables same but powers different. So these two are called unlike terms. If like terms, we can add and subtract their coefficients. Consider this example 3x plus 4x. 3x and 4x are like terms. So if like terms, we can add their coefficient. The coefficient is 3. Here the coefficient is 4. So 3 plus 4 that is equal to 7x. If unlike terms, we cannot add and subtract their coefficients. See here 8x minus 4y. Here variables are different, x here y, so we cannot subtract their coefficients. Next one, polynomials. An expression that has a finite number of terms, one or more with non-zero coefficients and variables with a whole number powers is known as polynomial. The first condition, it has a finite number of terms, it has countable, 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms like. Second point, non-zero coefficients, only numbers. The third one, whole number powers with variables. The exponent of the variable that is only whole numbers. So these three conditions very important. So polynomials means an expression that has a finite number of terms with non-zero coefficients and variables with a whole number powers is known as a polynomial. The next one, types of polynomials. So we have three types of polynomials. The first one, monomial. Monomial, in the word monomial, mono means only one. So here 2x is one monomial. So here only one term, so that is called monomial. Minus 5y, only one term, so that is called monomial. The second one, binomial. Binomial means an algebraic expression that contains two terms. See here, 3x plus 5. See here, two terms coming. 2x minus 6. 2x is one term, minus 6 is another term. So, an algebraic expression that contains only two terms, we can say that that is binomial. Bi means two. What is the meaning for bi? Bi means two terms. So, it contains only two terms. The third one, trinomial. Trinomials means tri means three terms. So, three. So, an algebraic expression that contains only three terms, 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. So here 3x squared one term, 5x is one term, minus 2 is another term. So terms containing. So an algebraic expression containing three terms, we can say that that is trinomial. More than three terms, that is called, we can say polynomial. More than three terms. For example, 4x cube plus 5x squared minus 3x plus 5. So that is called a polynomial. An algebraic expression that containing more than three terms, we can say that that is polynomial.